Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making unboxing for some wrestlers and a Switch 2 game. Here's a Switch 2 game. Mortal Kombat The Legacy Collection. Here's the front, the back, the side, the back. There's nothing in here because I already put it in my Switch 2 system while installing it. Next one is Greatest Hits Cody Rhodes, the old Cody Rhodes Legacy. Is a figure, picture, everybody else on the line. Next one, Main Event Series, Showdown Series 25. Jey Uso versus Braun Breaker for the title. Comes with a title. It says Yeet on his shirt. Last one. New Day. Main Event Showdown Series 25. Xavier Woods and Kofi Kingston. Comes with a microphone. And that has been unboxing for two packs, a Greatest Hits, and a Switch 2 game. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.